In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide followers on a Facebook business page. If you want a little more privacy on your page and you don't want other people to see the names on your follower list, Facebook gives you a setting that lets you control that. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly where to find it and what to change so your followers are hidden from public view. To begin, open Facebook and make sure you are logged into the account that manages your business page. Once you are on Facebook, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you can switch between your personal profile and any pages you manage. From that menu, click See All Profiles. Then select your business page. This is important because the setting needs to be changed while you are using the page profile, not your personal account. After switching over, you should now be viewing Facebook as your business page. Next, go to the top right corner again and click your page's profile picture. A menu will appear from there. Select Settings and Privacy and then click Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your page, where Facebook keeps visibility and audience controls. Once you are inside Settings, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. Scroll down until you find the section called Audience and Visibility. In that section, click Followers and Public Content. This is where Facebook stores settings related to who can follow you and what parts of that follower information are visible. Now look for the option labeled Who can see your followers on your timeline. This is the exact setting that controls whether other people can view the names in your follower list. Click the Audience drop-down menu next to that setting. In many cases, it will be set to public by default, which means anyone may be able to see that information. Change the setting to Only Me. Once you do that, the follower list will no longer be visible to other people, which gives your page a bit more privacy. After making the change, Facebook usually saves it automatically, but it's always a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure the new setting is still showing as Only Me before leaving the page. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.